items, which was Russell Stratton. Yeah, I'll get into the marshals in just a sec. We're currently having the TQ two-wheel not there at the moment, it looks like. Let me look at the marshal situation first, and then we'll have to get going without him then. Cone 8 in the back left. That should have been Bin Kwan at the end of the sweeper. Oh, okay, I see what you're going to do there. That works. Help me out. Cone 10's good. We got 11. That'll do. All right. So, we'll be going live off the tone. Let me just do this again. Driver's ready. Marshal's ready. Your race will begin on that sound of the tone in less than 5. And we're going to get off and rolling with some multi-class racing. Don't get to see that terribly often. I say that as it's only 10 scale now this year instead of mini truggy in the short courses. But that's beside the point. See, we got the 4 wheels out at the front of everything, so let's just start with them. We got Will Alameda in the clear body, translucent. He's working his way through the center step-ups now. He's got what should be Jamie Groff in the all blue. They change bodies so much, I gotta wait until they cross to know for sure. Nope, that's Bill Valet. That makes more sense. He's in the number 2, only a second and a half back. Then you got Placer, another 4, Booker, Houseman, Jamie. And then before Rocky could get there, a couple 2-wheel short courses getting across the line. MILLIREN, Adams, GOODREAU for the 2-wheel short courses. Then we got MCCUNE. This is a 10-minute A main for both 4-wheel and 2-wheel drive short courses. 2-wheel drives, most of them, if not all of them, should be running, I believe, 2S shorties. And then the 4-wheel short courses, I think, run stick pack 2 cells. All I know is 10 minutes on this big, wide open track is going to be difficult for both classes. So it's not just a battle for speed, it's a battle of attrition. Whose car will last the longest? Caution in the long jump, you're good, Caruso. And that's been cleared. Caution between the back doubles, caution between the back doubles. Car upside down. Now that's some marshalling. Really good throw. Hey Jay, look behind you. Purple truck, no go. I guess so. Got steering. All right. 7:20 to go. Let's take a look at the 2-wheel short courses. We have Matt Adams leading them out. Looks like that's going to change. Josh MILLIREN in the yellow and blue going into the big double. He is the current 2-wheel short course leader. Matt Adams not too far behind him in the orange, white, and a little bit of blue. Then you'll find Brady McEwen and Aaron GOODREAU another couple turns back. So your 2-wheel short courses, all of them staying pretty well together, making it nice and easy to find them on the track. Then for your 4 wheels, they're currently being led by the translucent Will Alameda. So translucent, I gotta do a double take to find him on the track. There he is on the left side, going up the hill to the back section. He's got Bill Valet about 10 seconds back in the all blue short course. Currently getting into kerfuffle with some other trucks. Then you got Alan Placer in the number 3, Houseman in the number 4. Then you got Jamie about 7.5 back from Jason. And then Rocky rounding out the field as it looks like Lewis Booker out after 2. It's on the track. Maybe it got fixed. Looks like it got fixed. Four minutes down, 6 minutes left to go, guys. Almost halfway through. I want to be calling some close battles, and right now that is going to be between the two top two-wheel short courses, Matt Adams, Josh Miller, and MILLIREN with a mistake after the backstretch. Going to give up the spot, and it looks like a good bit of the track, a couple corners worth. Matt Adams just crossing the line for a personal best and hot lap of two-wheel drive, 40, make that a 53 flat. MILLIREN, yellow and blue, just crossed the line. Have a little bit of a rough one. It's got about 6 seconds to make up to the leader. Then there will be MCCUNE somewhere in the mix of all these short courses. If I had to guess, based on how they drive, I'm going to say that's the white one going to the step downs now, followed by Aaron GOODREAU in the silver and black. That sounds right, and it looks right. Yeah, and it was right. So as Matt checks out just a little bit on Josh, let's take another quick look at what Will is doing. As his car collects dirt, it's just becoming more and more like the track. Sooner or later, you won't be able to see it. It's getting a nice natural camouflage. He's heading through Harvey's washboards now and into the wall turn. He's got about 18 seconds up on new number 2 for four-wheel drive. Jamie Groff, I need some help in the back double-doubles, between the back double-doubles. Careful, careful. And it's been cleared. Jamie's still hanging on to the second place. He's got about 6 seconds up on Alan Placer. See if I can find him. For reference, Jamie's should be in the all pink, little bit of white on the front, going through the right-hand side. Placer then should be the blue and red, not too far back. Caution between the back doubles again, and it got fixed itself. Need some help on the front. Eli Miller to the rescue. Thank you, sir. Then it's going to be Bill Valet in the number 4. J House rounding out the top 5. Then Rocky and Lewis. 46-4 going to be the hot lap from Jamie Groff for the four-wheel short courses. Will's matched it. 500ths off. Now Jamie lots to do is find a couple tenths. Start putting in a charge. He's got about 3 minutes if he wants to take over that top spot in four-wheel drive short course. Less than 3 to go. Up next will be race number 37. Expert 1/8 scale Nitro Buggy A main, the big show. Besides, well, Expert Electric. There's Placer, yellow, black, and orange. That's the number 3. Scratch that number 4. J House putting in personal best, 47.5. Did that at the right time. Placer made a mistake, putting him up into the number 3. That explains some things. J House is on his 5th body of the season. Now I finally figured out his car. 1:25 left, guys. 1:25 left to go. Two-wheel drive is pretty well spaced out. Matt Adams has about 25 seconds up on MILLIREN, who has 23 up on MCCUNE. No, that doesn't mean much unless you're looking at the track. So let's just put some cars to those names. You'll find Matt Adams on the right side, orange and white. Two-wheel drive, but looking pretty well planted. So he's heading into the step-ups now. MILLIREN then is in the blue and yellow. He's all the way on the left side, currently exiting the sweeper, going on to the washboards. Then you got MCCUNE, rocking the silver and black. And then the all-white going to be Andrew GOODREAU. Four-wheel short course ain't much closer. Will's got about a pretty healthy lead on Jamie. Again, rocking that translucent body. Jamie rocking the bright pink, white, and yellow. He's been having a really good race. 45-1 2 laps ago, resetting the hot lap because it's Jamie, and this is his class. Fortunately, it's also Will's. 3, 2, and a 1. And that was time, drivers. You guys are racing them to the line. A lot of these places are already set in stone. Something to watch is going to be between MCCUNE and GOODREAU. They're coming towards the line now. The white and silver and black cars coming to the line. Believe that's going to be, yep, GOODREAU taking away third place from MCCUNE on the last lap. Good job, GOODREAU. Just waiting on MILLIREN and HOUSEMAN and Booker to make this race official. They're all on the right side. Where did my marshals go? I see Navoso's there. Somebody knows what to do. All right, guys. That is a race. So for the two-wheel short courses,